Is your Kia K5 2021-2024 key fob not working? The most common reason is a dead battery. These fobs use a standard CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. Don't worry, replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Step 1. Gently separate the two halves of the fob casing, being mindful of the internal rubber gasket. Step 2. Remove the old battery. Step 3. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive plus side facing up. Step 4. Snap the case back together, ensuring a tight seal. Wearing gloves is recommended to avoid transferring oils to the components. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try repairing it. Turn the vehicle ignition to the on position and press the lock, unlock buttons on the fob repeatedly until the lights flash. Inspect the battery contacts for any corrosion. Clean with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Be aware of counterfeit batteries, which are a common cause of intermittent connectivity issues. If the fob gets wet, it's crucial to reseal it properly, possibly using silicone sealant or seeking professional repair. Software updates via Kia Connect can sometimes resolve pairing problems without hardware intervention.